Hello everybody, welcome to Cuckoo Joy. Let's have fun counting from 1 to 20 with some amazing animals. Ready? Let's count together. How many rabbits can you count? It's 1. How many birds can you count? There are 2 birds. How many frogs can you count? There are 3 frogs. How many turtles can you count? There are 4 turtles. How many kittens can you count? There are 5 kittens. How many puppies can you count? There are 6 puppies. How many pandas can you count? There are 7 pandas. How many gorillas can you count? There are 8 gorillas. How many koalas can you count? There are 9 koalas. How many tigers can you count? There are 10 tigers. How many giraffes can you count? There are 11 giraffes. How many lemurs can you count? There are 12 lemurs. How many camels can you count? There are 13 camels. How many parrots can you count? There are 14 parrots. How many snakes can you count? There are 15 snakes. How many hippos can you count? There are 16 hippos. How many foxes can you count? There are 17 foxes. How many elephants can you count? There are 18 elephants. How many crocodiles can you count? There are 19 crocodiles. How many lions can you count? There are 20 lions. Whoa, you counted all the way to 20. Numbers are so much fun. Keep counting every day. See you next time on Cuckoo Joy. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.